Not trying to bring ain't ball. Look at the boy. Muddy situation. Coco Red on me. Make a made on me. Like Lush. Flaky Flake. Why the fuck was CD playing running back? He do not get paid, Jimmy 2.0, to play running back. And it ain't even like we was doing something special to even make this Flake go back here and play running back. Man, he gone 4 to 6 weeks. like y'all got a game plan to do something without CD. As if we 1-2 with CD. Let's not forget that. So he wasn't making a hell of a difference. You let Dak check down the motherfucking rock about 80 times. Dump down chicken to the tight end. That's what y'all paying these niggas for, to be dump down kings? The most catches from a tight end in Cowboy history. Nigga didn't even get 100 yards. Why you take Dak out? 60 million to take him out with like 5 minutes left. Let the nigga get garbage time yards. Then motherfucking me Bazooka Joe Milton come in and throw an interception. I mean, god damn. We can't win for losing. We just lose to be losing. And why don't you start cutting some of these motherfucking players, bro? Prove a point, Jerry. Jimmy 2.0. If these players can't get it done, cut these motherfuckers. Y'all forgetting about real life? Why the fuck y'all ain't playing Zion? Why the fuck y'all not playing Jaden Blue? 2 fumbles by both of the running backs that played. And I ain't got nothing against J Dawg, Jay Williams, Jay Hammer. Jay Hammer was doing this motherfucking thing, but he did fumble. And there gotta be repercussions for fumbling, man.